guys, welcome to our channel. This is Health Conscious Team. In this video, we are going to tell you about Heart Murmur Military. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get new updates. If you are found to have a Heart Murmur military service may not be in your future. If you do try to enlist and the murmur is detected, you can be discharged without getting past the initial physical. This is called being discharged with EPTS, or existing before service. Sometimes you can be allowed to enlist if your condition is not serious. So an innocent heart murmur may not limit your ability to perform your assigned duties. If for some reason your heart murmur's military training does not work out together, then you may be discharged for the inability to adequately complete the training. Your condition may be evaluated before discharge to see if it is serious enough or if it can be controlled properly by other means. Be prepared to have kitchen duty or sit behind a desk answering the telephone. You cannot be removed from your training unless the commander approves your separation from service. Some heart murmurs are classified as innocent and are no problem at all. They will not develop into any further health complications. On the other hand, an abnormal heart murmur will. Heart problems must be taken seriously, they can be deadly. Think about it, if your heart is leaking blood from one chamber to the next through one of the valves, that cannot possibly be good. Have your doctor refer you to a heart specialist, also known as a cardiologist. The cardiologist can tell you, after testing and blood work, if your heart murmur is anything to worry about. You need this peace of mind if the heart murmur is innocent. Or you need to start treatment immediately if the heart murmur is abnormal. The sooner treatment is initiated, the better off you will be in the long run. Who wants heart failure as a diagnosis? So, what happens when the doctor sees you? The first thing they will do is listen to your heart with a stethoscope. If they hear a heart murmur, then they will order more tests like blood work and a chest X-ray. If the indications are that there is something more serious to look at, then the cardiologist will order an electrocardiogram or ECG. This will give the cardiologist a readout showing the electrical activity of your heart while it beats and if there are any problems to be addressed. Just remember, if you have ever been diagnosed with a heart murmur, military service may not be a choice for your future. Get checked out before you enlist and save yourself some embarrassment of being discharged before you even start. The military can be completely forgiving when it comes to your health and ability to serve your country. Understandable, they just want the best of the best defending our country. If you are ill, you will not only be in more danger yourself. But if you are in the military, you will also put your entire unit at risk if you are not your best. So, guys, I'm all today. That is just an informative video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our channel, please share and support our team.